Hey there. Here's another quick ramble. A question I see that pops up a lot on Reddit is what IDE should I use for coding? Like many things, there's a lot of different options for that. If you're taking a course, you'll want to use one that's recommended by the course. If you're learning on your own, you should use one that's the easiest for you, the one that's the simplest, has the simplest IDE, because you want to focus more on coding itself, getting the code right, and not worrying about the IDE options and spending a lot of time figuring out the IDE. You can always use another IDE when you know what you want in the IDE, and that'll come as you continue to code. You'll think, oh, it'd be nice to have some way to debug this, or it'd be nice to have a syntax checker, things like that. And you can always try other IDEs anyway, and you should try other ones after you've had this initial period of understanding the process of coding and getting responses, because that will help you adapt to the different environments you probably need as you go from one project to another or one job to another. Also, when you're hired by a business, you'll typically use the one that they require or recommend. The most important thing, though, is whatever IDE you use, if you're modifying existing code, do not reformat things to your own taste without permission. By that, I mean, as an example, there's more parts to it. Placement of parentheses, number of indents, whether it's tabs or spaces. In a lot of cases, for beginners, they think, I've learned best how to lay out code using the current methodology, so let me go ahead and change everything to what I think is right. But that's the worst thing you can do when joining a company or modifying company code, because they already have a way of doing things. And a part of gaining this experience is learning to work within their environment and their standards. It'll make things a lot easier for everybody. Also, if you'd like to see some examples of IDEs and options, just add a comment and I can create another video for it in the future.